up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we can unbox iPad Apple Pro, the newest one 2024, and also the Apple Pencil Pro. We'll be unboxing this and I'm so excited to see what Apple has made into this new iPad 13-inch Pro. So let's get started. So as you guys can see right here, I have the 13-inch iPad Pro and then also the Apple Pencil Pro. Well, it's called Pencil Pro, so you can see right here. So let's start with this guy here. You can just probably seal off from here, just like this, and then that, and then you just flip around like this to move it. Here we go. And then here's the inside. What you're gonna see, this is the iPad itself. Apple did say that this is the thinnest iPad. You can see it's pretty thin, but we can we'll check. Let's see what we have here inside of the box. So this is what you're gonna find inside of the box. There's some some instructions here, pretty much like that. And what else? No, that's pretty much it. What's inside here? And you're gonna find this Apple Black USB-C Type C, which is really nice. And then you're gonna also find this the adapter, and that's pretty much what you get inside. And this is just the box. So let's just open the iPad itself. It's pretty light, the iPad. Wow, look at that. That's pretty light iPad. Wow, look guys how beautiful this iPad is. And then let's open this thing. Look this, how shiny. Wow, that's so beautiful. Look at this, and look how thin it is. Wow, it's pretty thin, like really thin. Wow. All right, and so this is pretty much what you're gonna get. The power adapter, and then the iPad itself, and then this. It comes with other accessories. I didn't buy. The only accessories that I have is the Apple Pencil Pro. So let's just open this boy and see what's in there. And then just open this. In the Apple Pencil Pro, pretty much this is what you get inside. And then wow, this is the Apple Pencil Pro. It's really heavy. And then it comes with this little packaging. The packaging is really good. And this is here, you can see the Apple Pencil Pro. All right, we're gonna set it up this and power it up.